Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna make another mega tea. This one's gonna be the purple popsicle, which is a part of our summer mega tea kit, if you have those. You also can make this with your products at home. If you don't know what the mega tea kit is, no problem. So what we're gonna use to make this today is the raspberry herbal tea concentrate. We're gonna use an Orange Liftoff tablet, and we're gonna use some sugar-free grape flavoring mix. And what I'm gonna do to get started is first I'm gonna crush up the Liftoff tablet so that it dissolves faster. And I'm gonna put the Liftoff and the tea in the bottom of our cup. And then in a separate container, I'll mix the Grape Drink to pour over the top. I also have some crushed ice. I have my aloe here that I'm gonna put into mine. If you're making these with stuff you have at home, definitely put the aloe in there. If you don't have the aloe and you don't know what that is, hit me up, I can let you know. Or you can add this to your collection at home also. The aloe is amazing. It tastes wonderful. It helps your body absorb nutrients, and it helps your digestive system. It helps your immune system. It's just like liquid gold. So let's get started. If you got the Mega Tea Kit, all you're gonna do is rip this open and dump it in. But since I'm using my products from home, I'm gonna use my larger bottle, which the price per serving is a lot better in the bottles for home, but these are super convenient. And you can definitely get these to like throw into your purse or your gym bag to take with you and have for emergencies. Okay, now that this is all the way dissolved, I'm gonna fill my glass with crushed ice all the way to the top and a little over. Now to help the colors stay separated, I'm gonna put a little bit of water in here as a barrier between the colors. And top with the grape. There you go, the purple popsicle.